Hi, my name is Anna, Senior Real Estate Negotiator from Propnex Malaysia. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, retail shops in shopping malls were crowded with patrons and customers. But during the pandemic, these businesses were severely affected. However, some of these businesses evolved into e-commerce, bringing their business online and to the next level. So, how do you ensure that your business is protected if another pandemic hits again? Let me share with you a new business concept, widely and successfully used by more technologically advanced countries such as Japan and Singapore. Introducing Malaysia's first 6-story ramp-up e-commerce commercial hub, Emhub, Kota Damansara.
Built on a 9.4-acre leasehold industrial land, Emhub comprises 2 blocks of stratified 6-story ramp-up buildings. Emhub is the first of its kind in Malaysia, comprising of 468 units with unit sizes ranging from 2,200 to 5,000 square feet. Emhub is an exciting new e-commerce hub strategically located just next to Emporis Residential and Commercial Centre at Pasaran Surian, Kota Damansara, which is well connected and served by 2 major highways, NKVE and Dash Highway, which makes it convenient to transport your parcel or cargo to Klang North Port, Klang West Port, Subang Airport and KLIA. These are the reasons why you should invest in Emhub: instant logistic, flexible design, business protection, and 360 facilities. Instant logistic. Now with the 6-story ramp up, 5-ton lorry can access level 1 to level 6. This allows vehicles to park at the doorstep of each unit to cater for loading and unloading. Ground floor is allocated for logistic service providers. Over here we have central loading bays catering to 20-feet trucks and ample logistic facilities. Flexible design. The units in Emhub have been designed with flexibility in mind to cater to all forms of businesses. Double volume 6 meters ceiling height offers flexibility in space and storage management. Mezzanine floor allows proper segregation of office space. High roller shutter for easy loading and unloading, which also provide shop front visibility of each unit. Full height glazing panels ensures prominent exposure for business visibility. Business protection. At Emhub, your business will be protected with 24/7 security and power supply, multi-tiered security system, and dual high-speed broadband option for your fast-paced e-commerce needs. 360 facilities. Multiple F&B and retail outlets provide a diversity of food options for all occasions. The open-air rooftop facility is one of the key features in Emhub. It is designed to encourage socializing within the Emhub community. Fitness is as much priority as productivity in Emhub. The urban games room, half basketball court, and full-fledged fitness gym on the rooftop lets you and your employees stay active. Business support tools including 10 multi-sized meeting rooms and conference halls allows for conductive meetings. You can also book the function hall for your company events. 1,800 parking lots is strategically placed to improve the experience and convenience of employees and visitors. Emhub Kota Damansara, business facilities, business community and business continuity.
If you are interested to know more about Emhub, please feel free to contact me Anna at 016-623-9933. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye and thanks for watching.